Hello everybody, GV here, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. We're gonna continue with the freaking dropship. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no. I wasn't prepared for this. This is his only attack. Like, shoot laser at you. While the other people try to kill you. I'm not sure I like this attack. I think it's a little racist. Because, you know, lasers means racistness, I guess. Okay. Let's check more Agents of Dread out. And then, did I check two? No, I didn't. But we'll check some mines out now. Now we can focus on shooting this guy again. Oh gosh. That's not even a good idea. I shouldn't even start. Stop shooting in one way. Shoot one enemy. I like how it shoots at two people at once, but seriously, just shoot at one enemy. Okay, we destroyed that piece of freaking crap. Might as well equip that helmet. All we need is the gloves.
There she is! Let's get her! Ratchet, do you notice anything unusual about Luna?
No.
Well, she does seem to have an unusually large door in the back of her head.
And why do you suppose that is?
She's, robot?
Correct. I believe the Technomites set us up from the beginning. What I do not know is why.
Yeah? Well, I bet those Technomites inside her head know why. And now I'm gonna find out.
Oh no.
It appears we will have to catch her first.
Hit more. Wow, and it already sends us on our adventure to the Dayni Moon, I believe. The Dayni Moon, but you can't see the thing because stupid volume's in the way. This is the second to last planet in the game. We're almost done with the game, guys. That is freaking loud. That is freaking loud. That is so freaking loud. Turn it down to 30. Turn it down to 30. Turn it down to 30. Okay, I already know you could do like clank challenges and stuff. Oh crap. Well then. What a lovely start. Isn't this the clank challenges? The clank arena. It's like in a little cave, isn't it? Never mind, I don't think so. Alright, I'll probably do that off screen, see if we can try to get the boots. But anyways, we're just gonna like... Map-o-matic, we don't need that, we're gonna buy that next. Screw that, we're definitely buying that missile launcher next. And then I already know the weapon after that, it's frick, what's it called? I didn't click that. Sheesh. I believe this is the only game to have a nighttime, daytime feature. That's why it's called the Dayni Moon. Or Day Night. Didn't get it? Okay, well, apparently I am almost dead. And apparently I am on the news. And apparently this is the news channel. And apparently I'm supposed to be not talking. And apparently. Now they're not suckable anymore. Oh gosh. Oh wait, never mind. I actually do know more. There's more than meets the eye with this game. There's a couple more little weapons. One's not really a weapon, but you know, it counts. Oh! Level 3! Wow, this thing upgrades fast for these guys. Woo! Look at that! Oh, you know what? We're gonna upgrade today. All level 4. Holy crap! Look at that. Oh no, it's nighttime. Be careful of the farmers. The farmers can actually attack you. So. I don't know which one goes for which. So you can just go now. Okay. I'll be on you then. Come on. Oh, my foot's falling asleep. Let's just extend it out this way. Oh. Okay. Okay, during the day they grow, and during the night they are dead. I get it, I get it. But we have it the wrong way, I believe. Oh no, where are we supposed to go? Oh, up here. And never mind, I made it anyways, so. Uh-oh, it's nighttime. I can already... Oh, great, there's Luna. Y'all love Luna. Don't kill the farmer, he's innocent. No, they killed the farmer. You evil lambs, silence of the lambs, or whatever. I don't know. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay, that is an insane looking flame. That looks pretty sick. That looks really, really beast. I'm overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a really cool looking. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is getting a little inappropriate. Okay then, that works. That was a physics, thanks. No! Okay, we'll just go right here where the farmer was dying. Stupid little girl. Fine, come on, Luna. This is how we're gonna play. I'll throw some B-mines out and then I'm gonna kill the lambs or whatever the hell they are, the bulls, the devils, whatever, the chicken nuggets. Because they're now chicken nuggets. Okay. Maybe I should start using this, the concussion, or the acid bomb. You know, this will probably upgrade a butt ton if I kill someone with this. I used to love this gun too, the acid bomb glove. I used to love it so much. It's really good now. And it didn't kill anyone. That's how you know it's a freaking poor weapon. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. I can see something out of this. It's probably gonna upgrade if I kill. Oh wow, it's already level 2. Or whatever level this is. Level 3. Woo! This thing is. Now I know what I'm gonna upgrade to level 4 today. Besides the Scorcher. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna use the lacerators on this guy. Just die, dude. You're not cool. Let's use the concussion gun, see if I can reach him from here. Nope. Doesn't look like it. Just use lacerators, I guess. We upgraded. At least let's just pull the concussion gun out just in case, because this is our best weapon. We all know that the concussion gun is our best weapon, so might as well use it to our advantage. Wow, it's really poor because I was throwing the acid bomb glove, so. You can only buy, what's it called? You can only buy, ammo from that. I just realized that. I'm pretty sure in the other games you can buy weapons and stuff. I'll shoot the big horde that's like walking around thinking they own the place. They should all be dead now. Well, most of them should be dying. Yep, level 4. Here we go, whatever that is. The concussion cannon, whatever. Okay, this is the level of upgrade, I guess. but it still sucks donkey buttholes, but, you know, whatever it is. This gun isn't even level 2 yet, so, or this bomb glove or whatever. Oh, killing a sheep. But we're gonna suck them up. Right, so they're never gonna come back. That was a big waste of time right there for my hand, and we have a huge sort of thing about to happen, so that was a little stupid of me. Yeah. Send me flying. Whee! Oh gosh, I don't think I'm gonna make this. Oh, barely. Oh gosh. Yeah, we're definitely gonna make that. I can tell. Any year now. Any 5 seconds later now. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Ooh! Ooh, okay, we have to kill these guys, which is kind of sad. Kill them with the B9, because the B9 takes them out pretty fast. These guys. Come on, B9s. Maybe we should bring them over here more. Wait, just jump in the lock, hurry! Maybe when we kill all those, they will all be dead because the mine's coming. Okay, this is a little generic. Okay. That was pretty good. It did not seem like that would be something on this gun. Okay, I believe they are all dead now from the B9 gloves. It seems like it too. Okay, let's just get spread on that here. Okay. Come here, Shabamo. Shabuma Shabina. Shababa Shabuma. Go here. And it turns into a flower. Oh, there's just a bolt up there. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. It's just a bolt. Come back now. Now my other foot's falling asleep. I don't know why, because that's the foot that is not being laid on top of it. Yeah. 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 No! Wow, that was a fail. Okay. Sheesh. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is that? Helmet. This doesn't look like boots, because that's what I need is boots. The Mega Bomb something helmet. Okay, now I'm a little bit cooler. Uh-oh. She's turning the tables on us. Oh no. Okay. Now we can buy the rocket launcher. The shock rocket. Here we go. Oh dang, here's the big bag Mama Jama. Let's go to quick select here. Let's replace it with shoot. Probably the suck cannon, honestly. Because we use everything else. Oh crap. Cussing. Where's your armor? Run! Okay, never mind though. There's no turn up for that, so yeah. Oh crap, don't chop down the weed. Oh, jeez. Okay, maybe I should, like, pay a little attention. Oh! What you gonna do? Uh-oh, that does not look good. Go, 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 go. Jump over the rocks. Dodge the Rummy, the Reap, I guess. Crap. Oh, die. See ya. Adios. Oh crap, that doesn't look too pretty. That's not a pretty sight. Oh, die. Now, if you really do not want any crops this season, you shouldn't have planted any, Luna. Geesh, only makes sense. Uh-oh. Unpause. Or pause. Unpause. What an idiot. I mean, nothing. I'm not an idiot. Uh-oh. We have rocks tumbling down on us. I don't like this, boys and girls. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We don't survive. If we don't survive this, I swear I'm gonna flip a tit. Oh, gosh. Okay. I'm pretty sure this will not happen. Okay, this is a little unnecessary. I'm pretty sure not this many rocks would fall. Let's find out now.
So, the courageous superheroes finally catch the little girl.
We know what you are, Luna.
What we don't know is why.
We knew you'd fall for it, Ratchet. You can't resist playing the hero. We just needed to get you to our lab so we could extract your DNA, and this was the easiest way to do it.
But why do you need his DNA?
We Technomites are tired of being taken advantage of. Everyone uses our technology, but no one gives us credit. Our robots are strong, but as you have demonstrated, they are no match for Ratchet. So, we're making our own Ratchets.
What?
Using our advanced cloning technology, Emperor Otto has begun creating an entire army of Ratchets. His clone factory is churning them out as we speak. You are already too late to stop him.
All the way back here? You know, I'm just gonna cut off.